This is 65 feet of RGBIC light strips. Oh boy, where am I gonna put this? Well, I'm not sure. I do notice that they didn't actually use the RGBIC, like, logo type thing, but they just wrote RGBIC. Interesting. So it's got colorful lighting, obviously. Segmented color control, that's the RGBIC. DI mode, can set timers, adjust brightness, and thank goodness it's safe to use. I mean, I wouldn't use it if it wasn't safe to use. Forget it. Moving to the back, this is the H6147. It is 2 rolls of 10 meters. Uses 72 watts. 72 watts for a light strip. Jeez Louise. Let's open it up. So you get a giant user manual, because why not? Okay. You get some information on how to apply it. Get a like and share card. And in here, I'm guessing we have the cable. Yep, cable. That's all that's in there. Then under here is where the real magic happens. You got 2 rolls of lights. Then you have this monster power brick. 72 watts in this power brick. Like, geez, that's like space heater territory. Okay, maybe not space heater, but like, geez. You also get a ton of these like clips, but actually I don't think this is enough. Depending on your installation, you may want more, because this is 65 feet of lights, you know, it's not nothing. But we'll set those aside. You can also get 4 alcohol prep pads, which is awesome. So now you're just going to tap plus. This, unfortunately, is not a Wi-Fi capable device, so that means no voice control with ALEXA or Google Assistant, which is a real shame, because this is the kind of thing where you might want to put like in your family room or something like that. And, you know, you don't want to have your family have to, like, ask you to turn on the light or whatever, or turn it off, you know. So having voice control would be nice. I'm going to call it upstairs, because it can basically light up a whole floor. And so it's going to go ahead and get connected. As a reminder, don't leave it on the reel, as it kindly warns you, but, you know, that's okay. So you also get segmented brightness and finger sketch. I don't need that at the moment, so I will definitely upload it, or update it later. Now, unfortunately, these 2 aren't controllable individually, which means that whatever happens on this one happens on that one too, which, that's okay, but it'd be nice if, like, you could control them individually. Yeah, these are, wow. Now, it's not very bright on the reel, but I do not want to take it off the reel, because I do not want to put it back on the reel. So, you know. But, you know, you can control the whole strip, or do segments of it. So, let's look at some of the scenes. I've already kind of cherry-picked my favorites and put that there. You know, it kind of syncs between devices, which is nice, so you don't have to always set it up. So you have, like, you know, you can do fireworks, which is, ooh, it looks nice. Ooh, fancy, fancy, fancy. You know, you can do fall, you can do winter, you can do dating, you can do tango dance, you can do pretty much whatever you want, and Govee has a scene for it. They also have game library with Sandbox 3D, Airsoft Battle, Driving, and Speedball 3D, which I can assure you are the most popular video games on the planet. I have never heard of any of those, but maybe that's just me. Moving on to the DIYs, you can do pretty much anything with these guys. Ooh, I think that just rhymed. Wow, it's shocking. Yeah. So any modern, you know, DIY mode these guys can do, because they have enough memory. Yeah, you can do all kinds of things. I made some games, actually. with light strips when I was bored. Yeah, you can do pretty much anything. Do some of my things for my sconce light, and yeah, it all looks pretty good. Now, one of the reasons it looks pretty good is because the animations are smooth. And this is because there are 5 LEDs per segment. So, most Govee strips have 3 LEDs per segment, but because this is, a much longer strip, I'm okay with 5, as it'll still look pretty smooth. You also get a controller, so you can control colors and stuff. You also don't get a remote, so that's unfortunate, but that's okay, I think. But overall, I'm pretty happy with this product. And I'll definitely be putting it up in my house and showing you what it looks like. So, yeah, I'm pretty excited for that. But seriously, 65 feet of LED strips, like, wow, geez, Govee. This is going to retail for $65 on Amazon. It's actually already out on Amazon, so I'll, if I remember, put a link in the description. And have an awesome day, you guys. See ya.